Alright, let's dive into the heart of the matter. Imagine you're building a skyscraper. You've got the blueprints, the materials, and the ambition, but you're faced with a critical decision. What kind of foundation are you going to lay? A rock-solid, custom-engineered base designed for maximum load? Or a prefabricated, modular system that's quick to install and adaptable? That's essentially the choice businesses face when deciding between Oracle and NetSuite. You're choosing the foundation for your enterprise resource planning, your ERP. And just like a skyscraper, your business's success hinges on that foundation. You're probably here because you're grappling with this exact decision. You've heard the buzzwords: enterprise-grade, cloud-based, scalability, integration. But what do they actually mean for your business? Which system will truly empower you to grow, adapt, and thrive in today's ever-changing market? Let's cut through the jargon and get real. We're going to break down the key differences between Oracle and NetSuite, exploring their strengths, weaknesses, and ideal use cases. We'll look at everything from implementation and customization to cost and long-term support. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of which platform is the right fit for your unique needs. First, let's establish some context. Both Oracle and NetSuite are titans in the ERP world. They offer comprehensive suites of applications designed to manage everything from financials and inventory to customer relationships and supply chains. But they approach these challenges from fundamentally different perspectives. Oracle, the giant, the legacy player. For decades, Oracle has been synonymous with enterprise-grade solutions. Think of Oracle as that custom-engineered foundation. It's built for complexity, for massive data volumes, for intricate processes. It's the choice for large, multinational corporations with highly specialized needs and the resources to support a complex deployment. NetSuite, on the other hand, is the cloud-native disruptor. It's the prefabricated, modular system, built from the ground up for the cloud. NetSuite offers a faster implementation, greater flexibility, and lower upfront costs. It's the preferred choice for mid-sized and growing businesses that need agility and scalability without the overhead of a traditional on-premise system. Now, let's break down the key areas of comparison. 1. Deployment and implementation. This is where the differences are most stark. Oracle typically requires a lengthy and complex implementation process. You're dealing with on-premise servers, custom configurations, and extensive integrations. This can take months, even years, and requires a dedicated IT team. NetSuite, being cloud-based, offers a much faster and simpler implementation. You're essentially subscribing to a service, and the heavy lifting is handled by NetSuite. This translates to quicker time to value and lower upfront costs. 2. Customization and flexibility. Oracle excels in customization. Its robust platform allows you to tailor the system to your exact specifications. This is crucial for businesses with highly specialized processes or unique industry requirements. However, this level of customization comes with a price, complexity, and potential maintenance headaches. NetSuite offers a degree of customization through its SuiteScript platform and Suite Apps marketplace. However, it's generally less flexible than Oracle. This is by design, as NetSuite prioritizes standardization and ease of use. 3. Scalability and growth. Both platforms are designed to scale with your business. Oracle can handle massive data volumes and complex processes, making it ideal for large enterprises with global operations. NetSuite is also highly scalable, thanks to its cloud-based architecture. It can easily accommodate rapid growth and expansion without requiring significant infrastructure investments. 4. Cost and total cost of ownership, TCO. Oracle's upfront costs are significantly higher than NetSuite's. You're dealing with software licenses, hardware, implementation fees, and ongoing maintenance costs. NetSuite operates on a subscription model, which reduces upfront costs and provides predictable monthly or annual fees. However, over the long term, the cumulative cost of NetSuite can approach and sometimes exceed that of Oracle. 5. Integration and ecosystem. Oracle boasts a vast ecosystem of partners and integrations. It can connect with virtually any other enterprise system. NetSuite also offers a strong integration platform, with a growing number of pre-built integrations and APIs. However, its ecosystem is generally smaller than Oracle's. 6. Industry focus and specialization. Oracle caters to a wide range of industries, with specialized solutions for manufacturing, finance, healthcare, and more. NetSuite also offers industry-specific editions, but it's particularly strong in retail, e-commerce, and software. 7. User experience and interface. Oracle's user interface can be complex and require extensive training. NetSuite's interface is generally more user-friendly and intuitive, making it easier for employees to adopt. So, which is better? The answer, as always, is, it depends. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. Choose Oracle if you're a large, multinational corporation with complex processes and high data volumes. You require extensive customization and control over your ERP system. You have a dedicated IT team and the resources to support a complex implementation. You need deep industry-specific functionality. You need the most robust and deep solution available. Choose NetSuite if you're a mid-sized or growing business that needs agility and scalability. You want a faster and simpler implementation with lower upfront costs. You prioritize ease of use and a user-friendly interface. You prefer a cloud-based solution with automatic updates and maintenance. You desire a system that can be deployed quickly and provide a fast return on investment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.